Hey everybody, it's Fabek here for another teaching life hack, and this is all about editing super long videos and slides so that you can have it all tailored and focused, because as educators sometimes we find these amazing video segments, but they're much bigger videos that they have to pull from, so we're constantly toggling and trying to find the mark that we want. And so let's just save time, embed the video, and have it start and stop whenever we want. So here's how we do it. Let's say I take a YouTube video. This one's from Bozeman Science. I copy my link, I go into insert video so I can embed it right into my presentation. And then on the side here you can notice these format options. I know that my video segment that I want is at the 53-second mark, and I want it to end at the 4-minute and let's say 5-second mark. So what we'll see is, hopefully, if this all goes to plan, everything start and stop at the right time. So here we go. This is what it would look like. You click the start button, goes right to 53 seconds, and then, just so you can see how it would play out.
Now this is just an example. Let me give you some real example.
It ends exactly at that 4:05 mark. So there you have it. Editing long videos in Google Slides can be a nice, useful tool. No need to run up to the projector to shut it off anymore. Just have it shut off when you want. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Later!